In today's video, I'll show you how to block off months on Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to stop clients from booking appointments during certain months for vacations, holidays, business breaks, or schedule planning, this feature makes it very easy. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Availability or Calendar section from the left side menu. This is where you control when clients can and cannot book appointments. Now look for the option to block time or create unavailable dates. To block off an entire month, select the starting date at the beginning of the month you want unavailable, then choose the ending date at the end of that month. Next, mark the selected range as unavailable or blocked off. Once saved, clients will no longer see those dates as bookable on your scheduling page. You can repeat this process for multiple months if needed. This is useful if you plan to take long vacations, seasonal breaks, or temporary business closures. Another helpful option is adding a note or internal label for the block dates so you can remember why that time was closed. After saving your changes, preview your scheduling page to confirm that the blocked months are no longer available for booking. If you later decide to reopen availability, you can return to the same calendar settings and remove or edit the block date range. Blocking months is especially useful for businesses with seasonal schedules, limited availability, or planned time off. And that's it. You've successfully blocked off months in Acuity Scheduling and controlled when clients can book appointments. And that's how you block off months on Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.